I'm just enough to make you smile, and you need me.
Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm back with another hair tutorial, and this one is going to be a really fun hair to show you guys how to do, because for all my girls out there who have sleek straight hair and they want some volume in your hair, I know the struggle because I've been struggling with this all my life. So anyways, in today's video I wanted to share with you how to create a really big ponytail. And what I mean is just to take it a step farther from your average ponytail. When you want to have like a bigger hair, it just makes it look more dressed up. I don't know if that's the Persian in me or what, but I just love me some big hair. So I have figured out a bunch of different tips and tricks without having to use any hair extensions or hair pieces. So that's the best thing about it, is you don't have to add anything extra to your hair. This is all natural hair, and I know it may seem like I have a lot of hair. I have long hair, but I actually don't have a lot of hair. So if you guys are interested to see how I do this, then please continue watching.
I'm just enough to make you smile.
First thing first, you want to start combing the hair. Now my hair was washed a couple days ago and I already flat ironed it, so it's pretty straight. But the cool thing with this ponytail is you can actually wear this both ways. You can have it with like wavy hair, so you can do beach waves and then put it in a ponytail, and that is really, really pretty too. But lately I've been loving it with like a sleek straight hair. This is a good place for it, so I'm going to go ahead and tie it. Alright, so now that my ponytail is in place, I just want to make sure that everything is sleek. So with that comes hairspray, and this is the magical hairspray for this hair, guys. It is by Aveda and it is the air control. I love this hairspray. This is a must, and it is light hold. So the key to the hairspray is light hold. You don't have to get this hairspray, but I recommend it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna hairspray all of this part just to make sure everything is nice and sleek before going in and making this ponytail as big as possible. And I'm just gonna use my hand to flat everything and then spray. This guy over here is the key to this ponytail, guys. So what this does is just gives like width to the base of your ponytail. So it's going to automatically, before going in, this is just gonna lift it as much as possible. So what you do, and this comes like, you can make this if you have a lot of hair, then you can adjust it. But mine, since I don't have a lot of hair, it's going to be like this. So I'm just going to open it up a little bit and then wrap my hair through it and then just pull it out. So at this point we have it right here at the base, and it is kind of nice and secure. Now the handy dandy teasing comb, and this teasing comb I love. It is by Conair, and I just love the fact that it has different size bristles, so you can actually get the most out of your tease. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and tease away, and it's gonna look really crazy. So I'm warning you, be prepared. You are going to have huge, crazy hair. Alright, so starting from the very, very top, we're going to go ahead and tease away. And you want to do small sections for this, guys. It's really important. You don't want to do too big of a section. And then we're gonna grab our handy dandy hairspray, spray away, and then this is the key. You don't want to be too harsh when you're teasing. You just want to kind of like tease away. And don't worry if it looks crazy, it's supposed to. We're gonna fix it at the end, and then just drop it. armrest. comb through the first layer. So the very, very top layer is the only part that we're going to comb, because we want to leave that mess and the craziness on the bottom to stay. So if we comb the whole thing, then there's no point of teasing anyways. But obviously we don't want to leave it like this, so we're just going to go ahead and make the surface of the hair as smooth as possible. And if you feel like it's too crazy and there's a lot of volume, you just keep combing. The more you comb, the more you lose the volume. So at the same time, you really want to be careful. If you don't want to lose the volume, then you really don't want to comb through this a lot. But if you just wanted to, you know, bring it down a little bit more, then just continue combing. I kind of want it to be bigger because throughout the day it is going to go down just a little bit, but it's actually going to last you almost the whole day. So now what we're going to do is we're going to hairspray this, and the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to kind of push the hair up and then hairspray, and that's just going to make sure that we hold on to as much volume as possible and to kind of like lock in all the teasing we just did. Whatever you do with your hand at this point, you can kind of like shape the hair in whatever way you want. So if you want some of these pieces to be like angled outwards, then hairspray it that way. If you want a little bit more volume here, you can kind of manipulate the hair in whichever way you want, as long as you use your hands and you hairspray. So for example, I'm going to kind of give it a little bit of like a twist here, and then I'm going to spray it. Gives you the illusion of short hair. So on days that I want to wear shorter hair, this is the hairstyle. Alright my beauties, that's it for this tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give it a big thumbs up, and also follow me on my Instagram. I would love to meet and connect. Thank you friends so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.